Coach, what do you think of AMD at the moment?
Let's take a peek. I like that I had this nice drive to the upside. Let me get a trend line here just so I can see what it was doing. Overall, the downside off the open, but it did drive up in the pre-market, which caused this thing to collapse. Let's take a peek. Let's go this side. Oh yeah, as soon as we made this transition, if you guys look at this, this is where it started peaking upside. Now this one, you're at an easy level. You're either going to break VWAP, go long with a tight stop below. Otherwise, you're just going to sit here and wait a minute, right? So this is an easy spot now, but I want you guys to look at these trend lines, right? You saw it right here. I'm going to put this so you guys can see it a little brighter. Let me increase the size.
Yeah, I was my bias was a reversal level right now, it's sitting at VWAP. So I was just wanted to see your point of view.
Right. But remember, what's the rule, everybody? What is the rule on resistance puts? Right.
Stay.
Yeah.
Puts on resistance.
Yep. So if we look at this, though, it already did it. We drove up, puts on resistance. We drove down. We're still in that put, right? It's the same. Puts on resistance, calls on support. Right here was put. You guys see it? This is where it touched, okay? This is where it would have scared a bunch of you. It would have barely broke through. You're like, oh no. And wrong. It's still to the downside. We don't get to go long with this until it breaks and holds what?
VWAP.
That's right.
VWAP.
That is correct, okay? So what'll happen if it was a reverse to break through, touch, 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 break, bang, ding, 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 eventually break through, watch for a pullback to retest. So it usually will pop just like it did right here, by the way, pops through, comes back for a retest. If it pops through, comes back for a retest and stays up, long it, right? If it pops through, comes back for a retest, breaks through, that's bearish, short it. Where do I put my stops, coach? If I'm longing it on the break of VWAP, my stop is just below it. If I am going to short it below VWAP, my stop is going to be just above it. That way your risk is here, my risk is here, my reward is here and here. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Thank you.